Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to filter all your comments for the videos you post on TikTok. And without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, in order to filter all of your comments for your videos you post, just let's open the TikTok app. And after you have opened your TikTok app, on the bottom right corner of your phone you can see the profile button. Click there, and after you have landed on this interface, you can see the three line icon on the top right corner of your phone. That click there or tap there. Okay, after you have tapped there, these three options have appeared. Let's go to our settings and privacy option. Tap on the settings and privacy option, and after that we have landed on this interface. Let's go to our privacy management account. Under the account category, it's the second option. You can see the privacy option. Just tap there, and after you have tapped there, you will be landed on this interface. On under the safety category, you can see a bunch of category over here like discoverability, personalization and data, and you can see the downloads as well as the comments option under the safety category, comments option. And after you have that, you have tapped there, you will be landed on this interface. You can see the second category, which will be the comment filters, and you can see all the bunch of options over here. Filter all comments, filter spam and offensive comments, filter keyword. Since I'm making this video to show you how to filter all the comments, let's just go ahead and tap over here. And if you tap this button over here at the right side of the filter all comment option, you will be filtering all the comments which will be posted or commented on your video. Since I don't want to filter all the comments which are commented on my video by my followers, I will be tapping it again and turning off the filter all comments option. And but this will be on you to filter all the comments or not, will be on your decision. Since my account is small and I created it just a month ago, I think there aren't a lot of followers. I will not be filtering my comments. Okay, and guys, this is how you filter all comments on your TikTok. And if you have any questions or confusion regarding the topic, don't feel hesitated to comment on the comment section below. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Peace.